Hold on. Hey.
The November rain keeps falling down. Traces of us scattered on the ground. Every word we said still echoes in my mind, trying to hold on, though love feels blind. You used to smile beneath the grayest sky. Now silence lingers where dreams used to fly. We built a castle out of fragile trust and watched it fade beneath the dust. But when the night gets cold and long, I still hear our unfinished song. Even if our hearts are torn, I still believe love can be reborn. Under the November rain, I'm holding you again. Even when the storm remains, our hearts can stand the pain. If the world falls apart, I'll keep your name. 'Cause love will find its way through the November rain. Memories drift like autumn leaves, each one a promise the heart still believes. We walk through fire, we touch the flame, but even pain can whisper your name. I see a shadow in every dream, a silent echo, a gentle beam. You taught me how to face the night and still believe we'll find the light. If time can heal what tears divide, then maybe we'll find peace inside. The distance fades, the fear will wane, somewhere beyond this November rain. Under the November rain, I'm calling out your name. Though we're lost in the storm, our love remains the same. Every drop that falls reminds me again that we can start anew. Let the thunder cry, let the lightning burn. Every heartbreak brings a lesson to learn. If we fall apart, I'll still believe in every truth that our hearts conceive. So take my hand when the daylight fades. We'll find warmth in the love we made. Through every storm, through joy and pain, we'll find our way in the November rain. Under the November rain, I'll never let you go. Even when the night is cold, our love will still glow. The tears will fall, but hope remains. We'll rise again beneath the November rain. So let it fall, this rain of grace, washing away what time erased. And when the morning comes again, we'll still be standing in November rain. Oh.